If you're experiencing an installation loop with League of Legends, follow these steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Close background applications. Make sure to close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This includes any game launchers, web browsers, or other software that might interfere with the installation process. Step 2. Run as administrator. Right-click on the League of Legends launcher and select Run as Administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that might be causing the installation loop. Step 3. Check for corrupted files. Navigate to the League of Legends installation folder and look for a file named Riot Games. Delete this folder to remove any corrupted files. Then restart the installation process. Step 4. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall as they may block the installation. After disabling, try running the installer again. Remember to re-enable your security software once the installation is complete. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not work, uninstall League of Legends completely and then download the latest version from the official website. This fresh installation can often resolve persistent issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing League of Legends again. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.